So these are new reproduction fenders. And what I'm trying to show you is they need a little work. So see how wavy it is right here? It's from where they bent it over. This is a extra piece of weld sticking out. So they bent the fender around, and then part of it has reinforcing metal underneath it. But they're both like that, wavy. So I gotta get these tuned up so I can get the bed on, so we can get this running board lined up correctly. So the running board, you can see, is new. And the way it's shipped, the mounts, they send you mounts, but the mounts aren't attached. So it's just free floating on there, sitting on the mount. And then the holes line up on the front fender. They're probably gonna line up on the back fender, but I don't know what this part is until I get those on. And then what we'll do is we'll get the 3M body adhesive, glue them together, and then we'll be set. And then we can take everything off again. And then we can start working on paint, especially on the rear end, the back half, because we're not going to be cutting any more holes in that. Well, I may have to cut holes in this for tail lights, because I'm thinking some 36 Ford inverted tail lights going back right around here. I'm going to get the cutting wheel out. I'm going to get the grinder, the sander, and we're going to get these trimmed up to where I like them.
Listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? Your hard luck woman ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Said you're one day here and the next day gone. Come around here looking for all you can take. Move me so hard, make my poor heart shake. Make my poor heart shake. Chasing you, woman, or chasing my tail. Can't catch either, so it's just as well. So it's just as well. Love like that, it can't last long. You're one day here and the next day gone. You're one day here and the next day gone. Lightning in a bottle shines so bright. Seen you, baby, just the other night. I said I seen you, baby, just the other night. Well, listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? You're a hard luck woman, ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright, come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Well, you're one day here and the next day gone. One day here and the next day gone.
To that. Still some sharp edges on there. God damn it. Much better. Oh, don't scratch him. Oh! Don't scratch him.
Wow, that does look crazy. Now that I see that other one.
Yeah. You're not paying for fit and finish when you buy repops. You're just paying for the blanks. I mean, you could bolt them on like that. They just wouldn't look like that.
Yeah.
Cypress storm. Chopping trees, driving a tractor all day. He works that push pile all night down in Arlington Way. Lord knows it's just one man. Try to live out them songs he wrote. Took him down too soon, took him down too slow. One thing he told me, the one thing I learned: blues can't be taught, boy, they got to be earned.
Amazing how small this frame is on your truck, my truck. It's probably a lot more rigid though.
So what?
Sure. I was just saying it's amazing how small that frame is compared to the newer trucks frames.
Oh yeah, tiny.
A lot more rigid than ours probably.
It is now. It is now.
Candy cane the axle before you twist the frame.
That's the idea.
Yeah.
Perfect sticker removal.
It's so pretty.